Hey guys, Dan Heilman. We are back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about my three favorite AI coins. That is going to be Render, FET, and TARS AI. We're going to go through price action, price estimations, where we think these are going to go, and why I'm so bullish on these. Two of these picks, Render and FET, are kind of a higher market cap, so that means they'll probably be a safer pick, but maybe won't have as much upside chance. And the other one, TARS AI, I think could be a massive gainer for the market. So let's talk about these three. Let's begin. All right, very first one is Render. So Render, I have been accumulating for quite some time. You know, all the way back in March, it was doing very well. It got all the way up to almost $14. So it was super hyped up. AI coins were super hype in March, and it's kind of bled for a very long time. It basically went all the way down to about $3.30. Congratulations if you bought it anywhere near that, because from there to now is 160%. Now, we have just crossed the 50%. So that means we're only 50% away from going all the way back up to the top. So I think we will see some very nice gains. We could see anywhere from a 5x to a 10x. So that would be some big numbers. So in terms of 5 to 10x here, you know, just a 2x from here is obviously, you know, whatever, 16. So there's another there's a 2x, you know, and then all the way up here, I think we could easily see 500% gains on this, which would put us all the way up about $50 almost. So I think $50 would be a pretty good target. I would be extremely happy. I've seen a lot of people say that we could easily see $100. So that would be all the way up here. That would be what is that, 1,000%? So that's you know, pretty solid. So 1,000%, that'll be my price target, max, minimum. So I think we'll see $50, possibly all the way up to $100. Now, why do I think Render is a good place to start? Let's talk about it. So first off, if we look at Render, the market cap is 4 billion. So it's not massive. I'm sorry, it is almost massive, but it's not the biggest, right? So if we go to coin market cap and we just look at AI coins in general, you can see the number one market cap coin is Near, then ICP, then TAI. So TAI has a lot of coins that they're going to be printing, but it is over a very long period of time. ICP and Near, I think these, you know, they have such a big market cap that, yeah, they'll probably do great, but they're not going to give you the gains that some of the smaller coins are. So that's why I especially like Render. Render is basically decentralized, you know, decentralized. Here, let me go over here. About, it's basically a decentralized GPU network. So if someone wants to, you know, use some AI to generate whatever, to render whatever, hence the name, they can basically, people can put up their GPUs and they get used in a decentralized peer-to-peer network. So it's pretty cool. There's a lot of speed that goes across these networks, and Render is a platform basically for artists and developers to use these. If you don't have, you know, supercomputers with 1 million GPUs, then you can rent them to do that very intensive tasks that AI requires. They're also very active on social media. They've been around a while. They were doing really good at the beginning of this year, like insanely. They are insanely hyped, and now that they've gone down a while, I feel like people have kind of just forgot about them a little bit. So don't fade Render. I think Render, if we see any pullbacks, it's a good time to accumulate. I don't think we're going to come back below this $8.50, but I don't know, because we're above these two, you know, we're above the ascending lines here, and we're above the 50% now, both 50% from the two different pumps. So I think if you can get anything, you know, $8.50 or cheaper, it's a good buy for Render. Let's move to the next one, FET. So FET, I've been talking about FET a lot on the channel, honestly. So I was talking about all these mergers and all that stuff back in, you know, June, July timeframe on this channel, right when I converted this channel over to, oh, it might have been on my other channel. So I converted my gaming channel into this channel. So I was talking about this when I did that, and the price went all the way down to about 70 cents. So that would have been a great buy. If you did get anywhere near the bottom, you are up about 160%, about the same, kind of the same story here in terms of price. So I have the same kind of predictions here. I think we'll see, you know, anywhere from I don't know, 500 to 1,000% gain. So 500, I think on the low side, we're going to maybe see a $8, but I think a $10 or $12 FET is easily a possibility, maybe even higher, maybe even $20. So I think there's a lot of upside in these coins now, and that depends on a million things. You know, I'm basically kind of just throwing out targets based on popularity and market cap. Those are kind of my two things. You know, if they're really popular, a lot of people talking about it. FET has also started this burning thing, this burning tokens. The reason why FET got hammered down so much in this portion of time, from like September all the way to like early November, is because they kept on merging with a bunch of coins on social media. So they kept on announcing all of these mergers, and people were getting mad because every time that happens, you just dilute the supply, right? So people got mad, and finally FET started listening, and they said, okay, we're not going to do any more mergers, and we're going to start burning tokens instead. So there's a lot. Feel free to, you know, go talk about that, or go read up on them on social media, or even, you know, if we go here and we go to the about section on CoinMarketCap, you can see, where did it go? Where'd it go? Here you go. Founded in 2017. I didn't realize that these guys were founded so long ago, but they were finally like added to Binance in March of 2019, which is interesting because I've been in crypto since 2017 and I don't really remember much about them. But it's kind of like the same thing. So it democratizes access to AI technology with a permissionless network upon which anyone can connect and access secure data sets. Now, they've merged with a bunch of coins that have had different capabilities, so they've kind of absorbed those networks. So I think that's one of the things that they have going for them, but it's kind of a competitor to Render. So, you know, it's kind of very similar to that, but there's also some other things talking about trading services, transportation, essentially any complex digital system that requires large scale data sets. So this is a little bit different where it's talking about, you know, analyzing data sets and stuff like that, where the other one was just literally decentralized GPU like renting. So that's kind of the difference between Render and FET. Again, they got a lot going on. They're very popular on social media. A lot of people are talking about it. They've been less popular since they've been doing the mergers, but now that they've said that we're not going to be doing any more mergers and we're actually going to start burning coins, I think we'll see the price go very well on this one. Again, it's kind of a bigger market cap, so 4.4 billion. Render was 4.5 billion, so they're very similar. Now, the next one I'm talking about is a very small coin. So if you do want to by TARS AI, you can see the market cap is very low comparatively. I've been talking about TARS AI on my channel for a long time, and I'm actually up 100% on my purchases. So I've been talking that I've been accumulating this for a long time. Even when I had like $100 of TARS, I was telling people on my channel, you know, buy this coin. I think it's going to do really well. And it's up freaking 80% in the last 7 days. I've been talking about it for almost 2 weeks. So great job if you've been, you know, picking up TARS AI. Let's talk about the price of this one. I got my smaller coins down here somewhere. Where is it? Here we go. So it's up 20%. You can see the chart looks quite insane. I purchased a lot of mine in probably the 20-cent range about here, as I saw some nice price action. You know, I got a little bit here just because I wanted to. What I do is I basically buy small amounts of these small coins, and then I kind of monitor them over time. If they do well, I continue purchasing them. So I've bought a lot in this area down here. I think my average cost basis is about 20 cents. If this comes back down at all, like it's kind of already retracing a little bit, if this keeps coming down, I'm going to continue to buy more. I'm super bullish on TARS AI. We'll go through it in a second. If you do want to purchase TARS AI, they have it on Bitunix. I have a link below for Bitunix. It's an absolutely great exchange. I am just having so much fun on Bitunix. You can do, you know, all sorts of, you can do leverage trading on here legally. The only exchange in America that you can legally leverage trade on that I'm aware of. You can buy spot. They have a crap ton of very small market cap coins, which I'm accumulating on here. They have they add a lot of meme coins really quickly. You know, every day almost they add meme coins and other coins onto Bitunix. So if you want a cheaper fees, use my link below. You'll get a nice discount on all your fees. And they have all these welcome bonuses right now, $5,500 for newcomers. So use my link below and you get a huge discount. You get newcomer bonuses. They have all sorts of you know, challenges that you can do here. You can basically like, they have like contests and stuff. You just press join now. And then basically they give you like additional money if you deposit, and just for trading, how much volume you do in trading. You can unlock all these. If you do $3 million in trading, you get $30. It doesn't seem like a lot, but for futures trading, it's not too hard to get your volume up really high, because you can just open, close, open, close, open, close, you know what I mean? And take small couple percent profits, and you get a lot of trading volume that way. So feel free to use my link below. It really helps me out, and it helps you guys out. It gives you a huge discount on fees. But let's get back to TARS AI. I'm super bullish on this coin. Not only, I've been buying it since it was below 100 million market cap, so I've done very well, and I'm going to continue to buy it. I'm not buying any of the bigger cap coins right now. I'm trying to put all my money into smaller caps that I know, because the smaller caps haven't really taken off yet. It started with the big cap coins, the old Dino coins, XRP, and Ethereum now is pumping. So all those older coins. Then it's kind of moved to like the mid-range market cap coins. AI has kind of already seen a pump, but I don't think it's anywhere near over. I think there's going to be a huge pump in AI, in meme coins, in DeFi stuff, decentralized finance, and real world tokens. I think those are going to hit really hard. So I'm trying to accumulate those. Gaming is another one, but gaming, I feel like it takes off good, but I feel like it just doesn't stick around too much. If we're looking for real world adoption, I have a feeling that some of these utility coins are going to do better. Just my opinion. So again, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm kind of just, speculating here. So another thing that's crazy about TARS AI is they have, November 21st, I haven't seen anyone even really talking about it, but, they have officially joined the NVIDIA developer team. They're pretty active here, and if they get launched on Binance and Coinbase, I mean, the price of TARS AI is going to double. So I'm super bullish on this one. If I am looking for some massive gains, I'd put a lot of money in this one personally. I am a holder, as I've said, and I just continue to buy more and more TARS AI because it continues to go up in price. So yeah, it's very similar to some of the other ones. So if we go it's AI infrastructure for the Solana blockchain. So this is kind of interesting because it's, they're backed by the Solana Foundation, which is obviously a massive foundation, and it is on the Solana blockchain. It's AI-driven, scalable Web3, modular infrastructure platform enabling organizations and individual to effortlessly transition from Web2 to Web3. So I think it's pretty cool. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm going to continue purchasing this coin, and I believe you should as well. Now, this one, I have no idea in a price prediction. I honestly have no idea. So if I was thinking the other ones are going 500 to 1,000% up, I mean, what does that leave for this coin? More than that. I think we're going to see it at least get to $5. I don't know. Is that too dreamy to pick as a price target? I don't know, man. I think just because it's such a small market cap and people really haven't been starting to accumulate this coin until literally like a couple days ago. The volume has finally started. I mean, honestly, the volume, I guess, was pretty big down here. People weren't really interested, but then starting November 21st, it's just literally gone only up since then. I mean, it's basically up 220% in the last 2 weeks. So it's been performing very well. I think it's going to continue to perform very well. Any pullbacks, I'm going to continue to buy this. This is kind of one of the only coins I've been consistently buying for a long time now, in the last like 2-3 weeks. So I'm going to continue to purchase this one, and it's been dipping a little bit. We're down 6%. So I think I'm going to buy some more right now after this video, and feel free to use my link for Bitunix. Come in here and buy this one. I don't know of many other exchanges that have this one listed. So if you do want to purchase this one, Bitunix is a great place to do it. Again, if they get listed on Coinbase or Binance, this coin is going to freaking explode. So get in now, get in quick, and use my link below. You get a huge discount on fees and all that. So hope you guys are enjoying the content. Press that like button, press that subscribe button. That's going to be it for the video today. These are my 3 favorite AI coins, what I have my biggest holdings in, and I'm going to continue to purchase this TARS AI because it's a smaller one. We've only seen a little bit of a run up, and I think it's got a lot more to go. I think it has a lot more room to grow. They have a bunch of great sponsorships, and the market cap is just nice and low. So that's it. Have a great day, everyone. See you guys.